Moving to Chennai for work and figuring out furniture, or just tired of paying lakhs for a bed you'll probably sell at a loss in 2 years? Is it hygienic? Can you move if you relocate within the city? What happens to your deposit? Here's everything you need to know about bed on rent in Chennai in one video. Is renting a bed actually cheaper? If you're in Chennai for work and not sure how long you'll stay in the city, buying a bed rarely makes sense. A queen-sized bed costs 15,000 to 25,000 upfront. Add transport and eventually reselling it at a loss when your lease ends or you switch localities. With Rentomojo, bed rentals in Chennai start from 328 a month. For someone relocating for a new job, which is common across IT corridors like OMR and Gindi, that's a lot less friction than owning furniture you might have to sell in a hurry. Is the bed second-hand or unhygienic? Especially in Chennai's humidity, where furniture care matters more than people realize, every bed goes through inspection, repair, cleaning, and sanitization before it reaches you. Anything with wear or moisture damage gets fixed or replaced. You're not getting someone's discarded furniture. For select products, a brand new unit is also available. What's the minimum rental tenure? Minimum rental tenure starts from 3 months. Plans can go up to 36 months, and after that, you can continue on a monthly basis if needed. No lock-in stress and useful if your posting in Chennai isn't permanent yet. What about the security deposit? Yes, there's a refundable deposit. No damage, no pending dues, you get it back in full. If there's major damage, deductions are communicated within 24 hours. With Mojo Secure, accidental damage and wear and tear are covered too, so your deposit stays protected. What if the bed gets damaged or breaks? Normal wear and tear, scratches, small scuffs, you don't pay extra for that. If something stops working during your subscription, Rentomojo fixes or replaces it at no extra cost. You just raise a request on the app. No calling carpenters and no sourcing spare parts yourself. What if you relocate within Chennai or to another city? This is where it gets useful, especially for professionals who get transferred often. If you're relocating within a city or to another serviceable city, Rentomojo also helps with product relocation. And if you're shifting your entire house, you can use Mojo Mover. Rentomojo's packers and movers service available at affordable and competitive rates. Same bed, same plan, new address, no rebuying furniture every time you move. Can you upgrade the bed later? Yes, after 6 months you can upgrade to a different bed of the same or higher value. So if you move into a bigger flat later, switching to a storage bed or a bigger size is just a request away. What happens when the tenure ends? Two options: continue on a monthly basis or return it. If you return it, Rentomojo picks it up from your home, inspects it and refunds your deposit. So to sum it up, bed on rent in Chennai starts at 328 rupees a month, comes sanitized and inspected, includes free repairs, and moves with you if you relocate. For anyone in Chennai on a work posting that could change locations, that's a lot less commitment than owning furniture outright. If you're setting up your space in Chennai or expecting a move soon, check out Rentomojo's bed rental plans starting at just 328 a month.